Wow, yeah, I want to see inside. Yes, just open.
It's there.
Huh? May nakita tayong cafe di Pinoy. Proud.
They are not working today, unfortunately.
No?
This one is working.
This one is working.
I think that's them. Okay.
Let's enter. We can see what they have.
We'll have an espresso. Go for that.
Let's see. Babas. Oh, Pipido. Lavido.
No, turint kažko iš tikrųjų nieko.
Turiu leche plan.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you have leche plan. It's a very famous dessert, and I'm gonna make you this one. I will
The
make
Filipino
you.
discount is 90%, right?
How long this coffee area?
About 1 month and a bit, maybe 1.5 or something. So when you're back, you can see our back exhibition, more snacks from Philippines. Our specialty actually smoothies, mango smoothies, shakes.
Okay. And you speak Filipino?
Not really. I know only a few words like mabuhay, salamat, and so
Oh,
on.
that's really nice.
Not much, yeah.
Although Filipino chatty,
Is there Filipino here?
Yes, pretty much.
Oh, wow.
Time to time they coming and sitting here, we're playing. Even I heard that soon we'll have Filipino dances, some kind of traditional dances. So owner will.
So the owner is Filipino or what?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So the owner base is Filipino.
No.
It's really nice. Let's
And
take
this
a.
is my painting.
And this is your painting. Oh wow.
She looks
Christina.
Filipina to me.
She looks
She
Filipino.
looks Filipina to me.
Galing na.
Oh well, that was a script, you know.
Wow. Let's see inside. Wow. Oh my God, meron din si... No way.
Do you approve? It's
It
a real
is.
thing from your country.
Oh my
Do you
God.
approve?
Suka pinakura.
This is really famous. Pinakura. Yes! I need to buy something here. Yes, this is abaca. It's very famous abaca. Babe, there's an abaca.
Aš norėčiau su pienu, jeigu turiu kokią.
Cappuccino, get it? Large, medium?
Wow. Grabe, pride ng Pinoy to. Siyempre. No? Babe, cappuccino. So dito mga kabeshi, nag-try nga tayong mamili, no? Ng, hindi pala siya abaka, kundi made in bamboo. Yung mga materials ng mga handbag niya. Ang cute, grabe. Ang cute din ng price. Siyempre, export pa niya yun, no? Siyempre, profit pa niya, ganun. So, yun, sobrang aliwalas, no? Sobrang linis, of course. So, lahat ng drinks and dessert, Pilipino talaga mga kabeshi. So, ayan, no? Proud Filipino. Actually, kukunti lang talaga Pilipino sa Lithuania, no? Kasi hindi nga basa-basa mapasok ang itong lugar na ito. Kaya pride talaga ito na may ganitong coffee area, no? O tinatawag sa Lithuania as cabina, no? Ayan. So, ang ganda ng place niya, sobra. Ayan. Sa mga gustong puntahan ito, located po ito sa Ujiskenes Gatbe, no? Ujiskenes Street. Gatbe is the street, mga kabeshi. Ayan. So, dito lang po yan sa Kaunas. And congratulations sa iyo, kabayan. Keep it up. At sana lumago pa ang iyong negosyo. We are very, very proud of you, kabayan. Proud Filipino.